Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to move money from PayPal to Coinbase. Now what you're going to have to do, you're going to have the bank account that you have linked with both PayPal and Coinbase. If you haven't linked one yet, I'll show you how to do that. And the reason is you cannot add the PayPal funds directly to Coinbase. So you need an intermediary, which will be a bank. So for example, we'll take our Wise account details, okay? Copy that and take a note of it somewhere, and then you go to PayPal and you can click here on a transfer money, and this is from the web, from the mobile phone as well. You can just come here and go to your wallet section. If you don't have a bank or card, click on add new, and what you need to do is add your details. And after you add your details, they'll send you two transactions, okay? And then you just input that amount, so you're basically confirming your bank account. So once it's been confirmed, you can begin to transfer money to that bank account from PayPal, and which is basically linked to your Coinbase, and you can use that to buy crypto. So you click here on transfer money, choose a transfer to your bank, okay, enter the transfer amount, tap on next, and just choose your account that was linked, okay? And you proceed with the transaction, and then you can use that on Coinbase. Really that easy. Found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.